students, this is question number 3 of exercise 6.4 chapter triangles of class 10. So we are going to try this question. In given figure, ABC and DBC, ABC this one and DBC this triangle. First of all, we are going to take this triangle, this one, up one, then this triangle DBC are on the same base BC. BC is the same base for the triangle ABC and DBC. Okay, and if AD intersect BC at point O, show that area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to OA upon DO. Okay, so we have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to OA upon DO. So since if we going to write the given, we are only that triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base, that is BC. Okay, this is given to us and we need to prove area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So as already I told you, sometimes in approving questions we have to do for a few constructions also. So here we are going to do the construction, that is we are going to draw AL perpendicular on BC and DM also perpendicular on BC, here from the point vertex A and here from the vertex D, as I am going to show how we are going to do the construction. So whenever we are doing the construction, we always do with the dotted line. So now we have drawn here AL and DM. Because both the triangles are on the BC, same base BC, so the perpendicular we have drawn from the vertex A on BC and again from the vertex G on BC. So these two are the AL and DM are the perpendicular that we have drawn here. Yes, now what we have to do, we have to now start proving. So what if we consider triangle ALO, okay, and triangle DMO. Okay, so I am making few dots here to make you clear which two triangles we are taking. See, we have I have made the dots, so now we are very clear which two triangles we have taken. So these are the two triangles, and if we see in these two triangles, this angle is equal to this angle because of the vertically opposite angle, and angle L means ALO is equal to DMO, both are equal to 90 degree. So hence these two triangles are similar to each other by AA similarity rule. Okay, so that is the same thing we are going to write here. Angle ALO is equal to angle DMO 90 degree, and we can also write by construction. Okay, now angle AOL is equal to angle DOM vertically opposite angle. Okay, now by these two, so by AA similarity rule, triangle ALO is similar to triangle DMO. See, when these two triangles are similar to each other, then their sides will be also proportional, corresponding sides will also proportional to each other. So what we can see here, AL upon DM will equal to AO upon DO and LO upon OM. What I said that I am going to write, see again, because these two triangles ALO and the dotted one DMO are similar to each other, then their corresponding sides will definitely equal proportional. So we are now have AL upon DM is equal to AO upon DO and LO upon MO. Okay, that I am going to write. So AL upon DM is equal to AO upon DO is equal to LO upon MO. See, because we have taken the triangle first ALO, so we have written all the sides in the numerator, and next upon in the denominator we have taken this triangle, so we have written all the sides in the denominators. Yes, so I hope it is very clear to you. Now we have got this very first equation. Yes, now we need to prove that. I'm taking it like this. See, we have to prove this area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. Okay, now what will be the area of triangle ABC? If we just recall the formula of triangle ABC, we know that 1 upon 2 base into height. Same goes for 1 upon 2 base into height. Now what will be the base here for triangle ABC? The base will be BC. Yes. And what is the height? AL. Yes. And 1 by 2. What is the base for the DBC? Here we can also write ABC upon DBC. So what is the base? Again for the triangle DBC, base is the BC and the perpendicular is DM. So BC will cancel out 1 upon. So we are left with AL upon DM. And if we now we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AL upon DM. Yes. Now if we recall the equation number first that we have already proved here. Yes, now this is the equation number 1, and we know that AL upon DM is equal to AO upon DO. So instead of AL upon DM we can write AO upon DO. So that we are going to do using equation 1. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to, instead of AL upon DM we are writing AO upon DO. Hence prove that we need to prove that. Yes, that is the question. That question was asking what we need to prove, that area of triangle AO upon DO. So by using this construction we have drawn AL and DM and we have just proved them similar. So AL upon DM will equal to OA upon DM by proving this similar, and after that we have taken area of triangle ABC and DBC. Sorry, today I am not feeling well. So that is AL upon DM, and that is we have already proved that is equal to AO upon DO. So we have proved this question number 3. In next video we are going to prove question number 5. Okay, thank you students.